Mahal na siya. Sige nga, open mo.
Open.
Nada-damage yung card niya ni.
Damage.
No. To open this, come here. You rip it here. Yan. Yan, sige, rip. Why, it's hard?
Like this. I'll open.
Only adult is
Okay.
thrown in.
Show.
Can you show it to me?
Put here.
The last card is the hit eh. Okay.
Put here. Yan. Show it to the ano.
Oh. Yan. Ay, holo lang. Wala.
Wait.
Hindi.
Wait.
Can I see? Sige. Next card. Wow. Next card. Wow. Next card. Wow.
Ay, wala nang
Next
ano
card.
to. Yung
Oh.
ganun.
Next. Oh, wala. Sa amin, ano yun? English lang yun. Dito, yung hit talaga nasa likod. Next card. Wow.
Nakakuha ka na ng God Pack.
Oh. Sa Wipler. Black Bolt.
Anong nakuha mo din? Oh, ano mo muna yan. Finish na to.
Puro hits na 10.
Oh? Sa isang pack ba ilang piraso?
Sa Wipler, 10. Pero
Hindi,
pagka regular pack, 5. Pagka Korean, Japanese. Ooh.
Slowly.
Slowly lang so I can see in the video. Oh.
Where
Next.
daddy?
Oh. Next. Oh. Next. Oh.
Oh.
Wala.
Siya.
Nothing.
Makakailan na tayo? 1, 2,
Oh.
3, 4,
Another one.
5, 6.
Whoa.
Oh, 6 na.
Another one.
7.
Oh.
Oh,
Another
there's
one.
a hit.
Oh.
What's that?
Wala. Glimora. Holo Glimora. Wala tayong hit, Elise.
Last 3.
We don't have
Yan na
beautiful
naman.
card.
Ah.
Oh. Next. Nothing. Wala.
Wala. Ang malas ni Elise.
Why?
Here's this one.
No
Can you
hit.
see?
What do it mean?
Hit meaning to say jackpot. Good
Yeah.
card.
Expensive
Ayan,
card.
there.
Ayan.
Yeah.
What's that?
What's that?
EX lang. Wala.
What's that?
DAR.
Oh.
Double rare.
Oh, this one.
Hindi. Hindi.
We don't have any hit,
Yan, si
Elise.
ano, Si... Anong pangalan niya? Yung elepante?
Cupid.
Hindi. Si...
Give me that.
Show it to them.
Nothing. Oh no. There's no. Nothing. There's nothing.
Oh,
Wow, bad.